2023 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.